what is your name?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mary Grace M. Gaspe.
Mary Grace, can you tell something about yourself?
Yes. I am 27 years old, single. I am the youngest among of the family. I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters. I graduated from West Negros College in Negros Occidental as a nurse. I know how to speak English, Tagalog, Ilongga, and some few Arabic words. Because I worked in Saudi for 2 years as a nurse.
Oh, Mary Grace, you are a nurse. So, do you know the basic safety in if there's an emergency?
Yes, ma'am.
So, for example, the house is burning. What will you do?
If the house is burning, I will see if we can. I will secure for the babies and for the entire family. I will ensure the safeness of the family first. If we can exit to the house, we will go outside together. Then, if we are trapped already inside the house, I will take blanket. Then I will take the baby or other member of the family to the bathroom. I will wet the blanket and we will sit there and cover all our bodies. And if we have cold, I will call to the emergency hotline and we will wait there until the help will come.
Oh, okay, very good. For example, the baby is choking, maybe swallowed small toy. What will you do? For example, the baby swallowed small toy.
If I will see baby, maybe he is swallowing any small things, I will see the condition of the baby first. I will see the baby if it is crying by tapping of his toes or by pinching little to his forehead to see if the condition of the baby is crying or not. And if I see the patient is bluish coloration, means the baby was in bad condition. First I will take the baby in my hands using my right hand supporting at the back. Then I will turn to my left hand and supporting to his neck. I can use my legs also to support the baby, or I will sit to the chair to support my body. I will do choking to the baby. I will do 3 strike to the back of the baby. 1, 2, 3, and if the object will not come outside, I will turn the baby and do CPR or call for help.
Okay, thank you, Mary Grace. Do you have, beside your experience in Saudi Arabia as a nurse, do you have domestic helper experience?
Yes, ma'am. Here in Philippines for 4 years as a working student.
So, what do you do as a domestic helper?
I am doing after my class or before I go to school, I am cleaning the house. I will do all the household chores. Then after that, I am caring for the pet. I taking care of the dog. Sometimes bathing for the dog, giving food for the dog, gardening also, and cooking.
So, what kind of food do you know to cook?
Mostly Filipino food.
So, if you are hired to Hong Kong, are you willing to have a training for cooking Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. That is my pleasure to learn Chinese cooking food.
Also, you are not afraid of the dog.
No, ma'am. I love it.
You love pet. Okay, before we end, can you tell something to your employer?
Good morning, ma'am, sir. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I am hardworking, honest, and I will be loyal to your family. I will obey whatever you want, and I can stay to your family as long as you need my service. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mary Grace. Hope to see you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.